Let's field strip a Glock 19 Gen 5. Like always, we start by assuring that the firearm is unloaded with a visual and tactile inspection. All Glocks pretty much break down the same way. We're going to start by releasing the striker. Then we're going to pull back about that far. We have takedown levers on both sides. Both of them have to be pushed down at the same time, and then we can push the rail off of the weapon. You got the frame, you've got the guide rod and recoil spring, and then of course you have the barrel. So there you have one Glock 19 Gen 5 ready to be cleaned.